we shall go to one popular meter which has 11 letters in each foot, that is Rathoddata, much popularized by Kalidasa. And later every poet started adopting this, especially for the description of sunset and moonrise. A verse from Kumarasambhava's 8th canto. Angulibhiriv kesha sanchayam tannigrihyati miram marichibhi kudmalikrita sarojalocanam chumbati varajani mukham shashi. Angulibhiriv kesha sanchayam sannigrihyati miram marichibhi kundalikrita sarojalocanam chumbati varajani mukham shashi. Here, though the meter is a Varnavritta, it has a Matric rhythm, a rhythm which is comparable to the meters found in the Matra varieties or the Jatis, the popular or the Shastric name of that. Here, the meter, though it is 11 syllabled, the Matra varieties intrinsically they divide in such a way that it creates a harmonious blend of 3 and 5 matras in an array. Angulibhiriva kesha sanchayai. Angulibhiriva kesha sanchayam saunigrihya timiram marichibhi kudmalikrita sarojalocanam chumbati varajani mukham shashi. Or it can as well be changed from 3 to 5 to 5 and 3. Angulibhiriva kesha sanchayai sannigrihyya timiram marichibhi kudmalikrita sarojalocanam chumbati varajani mukham shashi. Like that.